Very straight line, prompt salute, elegant salute. Also very prompt into the trot. Such a lovely and straight center line. Our first medium trot. We have another one coming up in several blocks. Good balance in the volte. Good shape and size of the volte. Self-carriage, good. And very constant in the line, no wavering. Of course, in every single movement, the quality of the gait is considered and the balance. That was a very good half pass to the right. This one could be a bit rounder, but she has a very good understanding of the bend. And the pony showed good crossing in the legs and good self-carriage. Our second medium trot. Medium trots in this test are well positioned in the choreography of this test to be before the lateral work to help give more impulsion for that. Again, she sustained a very constant angle in the shoulder end. Good engagement. And now the big go to the extended trot. She definitely demonstrated an effort to show more there. There was some rhythm, a couple times a little bit of loss of rhythm there. It's always about the degree of calculated risk we take for increasing degrees from medium to extended trot. Good balance in the walk. Stepped out, left hind. Every time there's a step from the outside hind, it needs to be to the center of the horse's body. So he was a bit on the forehand, and that's why that happened. The walk could be clearer. There should be a clear V between the inside hind and inside fore. And more stretch would enhance the extended walk and give more suppleness to the back, which would help to get a more clear walk and more freedom in the shoulder. Lovely transition to the canter. The extended and medium walks are also double coefficients. Very fluent canter and good bend. Obedient transition. That's not easy to go from one counter canter to the other. Very simpatico relationship between the horse and the pony. Pony shows a lot of tranquility in the test. She maintained a little exaggerated bend to the right coming across the diagonal. I think in order to keep the counter canter through into the corner so he wouldn't do a flying change, which he tried to do near the end. Good balance. That was a lovely transition, 3 to 5 steps actually in the walk. Again, good acumen in the transition to the walk. Very calm. Fluent transition to the trot. And now, medium trot, boldly forward to the final salute. Very well performed. Very harmonious partnership between the horse and the rider. Her position was quite good throughout, and she was very effective in the aids. Remembering that the collective mark is the last double coefficient, and it's about overall general impression. In these tests, we used to have 4 collective marks, but they became consolidated about 3 or 4 years ago into one, which is basically putting all the responsibility on the rider to perform all that is looked for in terms of quality of gaits, impulsion, submission. 64.774. There's 7 ponies yet to go.